Hello and welcome to this session on LO2, Understanding Training and Career Development Opportunities in Health and Social Care. In this video, we'll explore how continuous training and professional development can help you grow your skills, strengthen your confidence, and maximize your career potential in the health and social care sector. Training and career development are vital for enhancing skills. Opportunities include on-the-job training, formal education, and workshops. Each offers unique advantages for skill enhancement. Employers and educational institutions play key roles in providing these opportunities. Pursuing them independently is also an option. On-the-job training happens within the workplace. It involves learning by doing, acquiring skills while performing regular duties. This method is beneficial for hands-on learning. It helps employees adapt to specific job requirements. Practical experience is a key advantage. Formal education provides in-depth knowledge in your field. Pursuing degrees, diplomas, or certificates enhances career paths. Universities, colleges, and online courses offer these opportunities. They equip individuals with essential skills and knowledge. This education is crucial for professional growth. Workshops and seminars offer focused learning on specific topics. Conducted by experts, they provide valuable insights. These short-term events are completed in a few days. They enhance specific skills and knowledge. Participation can boost professional development. Webinars and online courses offer flexible learning. Accessible from anywhere, they fit into busy schedules. Individuals can learn at their own pace. The digital age has expanded these resources greatly. They provide a wide range of topics and skills. Conferences offer exposure to industry trends and innovations. Networking events connect professionals with mentors and peers. These events provide valuable career insights. They also offer opportunities to learn from industry leaders. Participation can enhance career prospects. Mentorship involves guidance from experienced professionals. Coaching focuses on specific skills and goals. Both play crucial roles in career development. They provide personalized support and insights. These relationships can enhance career growth. Cross-training expands skills beyond primary roles. Job rotation offers experience in different positions. Both enhance versatility and adaptability. These practices broaden skill sets and understanding. They prepare individuals for diverse career opportunities. Certifications validate expertise in specific domains. They enhance credibility and open new opportunities. Many industries offer these certifications. Achieving them can boost career advancement. They are essential for professional recognition. Performance management maximizes individual and group success. It involves setting clear goals and expectations. Regular feedback and appraisals are crucial. Development plans and recognition reinforce positive behavior. These strategies enhance performance and motivation. Career development in healthcare is essential. It ensures high-quality care and employee satisfaction. Continuous learning is crucial for adapting to changes. Diverse career paths offer various opportunities. Investing in professional growth benefits both individuals and organizations. Continuous learning keeps professionals updated. Specialization leads to career advancement. It offers higher salaries and challenging roles. Professionals can engage in research and innovation. This enhances career prospects and evidence-based practice. Online platforms revolutionize professional development. They offer convenient access to courses and resources. Leadership programs groom future leaders. They equip individuals with management skills. These initiatives are crucial for strategic decision-making. Career development in health and social care enhances care quality. It promotes employee satisfaction and retention. Investing in professional growth creates a skilled workforce ready for challenges. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out on WhatsApp at 074-843-61688. We look forward to seeing you again at the next session. Thank you.